So, as you can see, that's essentially the base coat done for the tan and the white. Now I'm going to start doing the detail with the black. The next thing to do is the eyes. Now, best way to describe it would be, say, like an Egyptian eye. Now, again, hats off to all you ladies out there that are doing this on a daily basis, and I find it really, really difficult to do a line around the eye, but we shall try. So here goes nothing. Takes me ages with touching up, because I am just terrible at it, as you can see. You may not want to do it on kids. I don't think I would. Yikes. But I will touch it up, make it better. I am open to any recommendations, any ideas on how to do a decent eye, because I am a complete novice at it. My whole life, the only time I ever wore any kind of makeup was cam cream in the army. So you may notice that Captain Duval during the game wears glasses. Well, there you go. Maybe that's why, to hide my terrible eye makeup. So mums, sisters, daughters, nannies are going to be much better at it than me. This is the hardest thing of all the 3 hours that it takes me to do the full latex setup. This is where I struggle most. But hey, practice makes perfect. But you get the idea. I will continue and show you the end result.